If you have a complaint of cough, whether your cough is from a few days or a very old, then today in this video I am going to tell you about a very good recipe. I am going to tell you such a home remedy that if you use it, then your oldest cough will start getting cured very faster and very easily. This recipe which I tell you today is effective in both dry cough as well as in wet cough, phlegm, and gives a very good results. If you are tired of using different types of medicines or you are tired of drinking syrups, then definitely try this recipe once. I am sure that you will not be disappointed with this and you will get a very good results. So let's start this video without any delay. My name is Dr. Patan and you are very welcome to my channel. Friends, the cough remedy that we are going to make today, you can give it to adults as well as in children. To make it, you will need only 5 ingredients and you will easily find all these 5 ingredients in your kitchen. The first thing that you need in it is black pepper. Friends, black pepper has expectorant property. Expectorant properties mean that the phlegm that gets deposited inside your chest, the mucus that sticks so your respiratory tract is thinned by this and it makes it easier to come out. This cleans your respiratory tract and removes the infection and helps in reducing your cough. The second thing that you have to use in this is black salt. Black salt is beneficial in all kinds of respiratory problems. Black salt also reduces dry cough and also gives you a lot of relief in cough with phlegm. It basically works to relax your respiratory tract because what often happens is that when you have to chronic cough, due to that is your respiratory tract which are bronchi get constricted and there is stiffness in them. So black salt remove that stiffness and relaxes the respiratory tract, and because of that you get relief in breathing and your cough also starts reducing. The third thing you need is celery. Celery is also a very good thing for removing chest congestion and curing cough and cold. Apart from this, you need green cardamom, that is small cardamom. Small cardamom has some such properties that remove your throat infection, soothe your chest, cure the phlegm that gets accumulated inside the chest, and you get a lot of benefit from it in cough and cold also. The last thing that you need in this, that is the fifth thing, is ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that remove the congestion in your chest, remove the infection that occurs inside your chest, reduce the inflammation that occurs inside your lungs, soothe your respiratory tract, clean the mucus that accumulates inside your, and it helps you a lot in curing different types of respiratory problems like cold and cough. To make this recipe, you need 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon black salt, 1 teaspoon carom seeds, 4 teaspoon grated ginger, and 4-5 small cardamoms. And take out the core of this cardamom and keep it is aside. You do not have to use it peel. Mix all these things together well, and after that take 5 tablespoon jaggery. Put this 5 tablespoon jaggery in a non-stick pan and put some water in it so that it does not stick to the pan. Keep it on a low flame on the gas, and then this jaggery melts. Then you have to put all these things in it which you had just mixed together. Friends, you do not have to cook this jaggery too much because if you cook it too much, then burn it, then it will become bitter and you will feel very bad in taste. So when it starts melting a little bit, then you have to put all these things, and after putting it you have to cook it for only 1 to 2 minutes. Again, keep this mind, you have to make sure that your flame should be remain sim and the jaggery should not burn. Cook it well, and after that keep it in a glass jar. have to take this remedy half a spoon in the morning and half a spoon at night before going to bed. You can take it at any time in the morning, but at night you must take it before going to bed. And whenever you take it, always use it with warm water. After taking this, you must not use any cold or sore things, and you must also avoid smoking, etc. Within 10 minutes of taking this, your cough will start reducing. And if you have chronic cough, that is, you have an old cough, then use it for 3 to 7 days. You will get a lot of relief within 3 to 7 days. If the cough is very old, or you have to it with a lot of intensity, then you can take it for more than 7 days. You can use it comfortably for 21 days or even a month. It will not cause any harm to you. Friends, if you want, you can give this recipe which I have told you today to children as well. But it should not be given to the children younger than 10 years. If you want to give it to children between 10 to 16 years, then you have to reduce the dose by half. That is, instead of half tablespoon, you have to give 1/4 tablespoon to children. Friends, I hope you like today's video, and this recipe which I told you today will help you a lot in getting rid of your cough. If you like this video, then share it with everyone. So see you in my next video. Till then, thanks.